Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the terminal is installed, and you can run tool version to check compatibility. Once confirmed, change into your project folder with cd/path/ to /project so outputs land where you expect. Now execute the first actionable command, tool init or tool help, to initialize configuration and reveal options. This step proves the tool talks to your environment and creates any starter files. It prevents permission surprises later and gives you the baseline state to build from. You continue by adjusting configuration for your environment. Open the config file and set absolute paths and needed flags so the tool runs predictably. Once done, launch the core process with tool run mode equals dev to stream logs and validate behavior interactively. Make sure to use V or verbose to surface warnings and subtle errors. This helps you understand sequencing and resource use. If a command hangs, interrupt with Ctrl+C. Inspect logs, then iterate. Small changes followed by test runs keep debugging manageable. You finish by validating outcomes. Run tool test or tool check to confirm desired outputs and automated assertions pass. Once satisfied, commit configuration changes and a short README note listing the exact commands you used so you or others can reproduce the process. If something goes wrong, capture the last run output to log. TXT and rerun with debug to increase detail, then compare timestamps and error lines. This targeted log approach speeds problem isolation and prevents guessing at causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.